हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटर्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड थर्ड का EVS का लेसन नंबर 18 माय फैमिली एंड होम के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो जो भी हम आंसर्स देखेंगे वो शॉर्ट में रहेंगे ताकि आपको लर्निंग में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। A. Answer the following in one sentence. A. What does a family provide? Answer. A family provides us with food, clothing and shelter. B. Who takes care of us when we are ill? Answer. When we are ill, our parent takes care of us. C. When do members of an extended family come together? Answer. Members of an extended family meet each other on several occasions like family functions, celebration of festival, etc. D. What kinds of activities occur during a festival? Answer. Festivals bring families together and there are many activities celebrated like singing, dancing, making rangolis, playing games, competing in races, etc. B. Write whether right or wrong. A. We must help each other in times of difficulty. Answer. Right. B. All family members should share the household chores. Answer. Right. C. Garbage should not be thrown in a garbage bin. Answer. Wrong. D. Music should not be so loud as to cause noise pollution. Answer. Right. Okay student, if you like this video then do like, comment and share and subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials for more such videos. We'll meet in next video. Till that, keep learning.